Hi folks, my name's Dave Johnson from bloggingbizonline.com. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you're notified of any future videos I've got coming out. So today I'm going to teach you how to quickly whitelist any emails that you've got going into your spam folder. So basically what we're saying is we have an inbox here and we have a spam folder, and say if you're getting emails going into your spam that you need to go into your inbox so you don't ever lose them or miss them in the future. So here I have one email in my spam folder. So for argument's sake, I'm saying I don't want any future emails from this person going into my spam folder. I would like them to go straight to my inbox so I don't miss them again. Okay, so all you do is click on that little square there and go over to the three dots here. Okay, just click on the three dots and press filter messages like these. Click on there, a little drop down box comes up, and then you need to click create filter. Once you've created that filter, you look for the never send it to spam. Just there, look, just click in there, put a tick in that box and create filter, and that is it. So that particular person will never fall into my spam folder again. He'll always go into my Gmail inbox straight away. Okay folks, so that was a quick tutorial on how to whitelist any emails you don't want falling into your spam folder. So for any future videos coming out, hit that notification buzzer, and please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the box by all means. So for now, from Blogging Biz Online and me, Dave Johnson, stay safe everybody, and I'll see you soon in the next video.